WIPRO ADR jumped 5.06% overnight on NYSE. Source: NYSE Close. By 09:15 IST you'll know which levels to watch on WIPRO, INFY and ICICIBANK. The Nasdaq fell 0.64%, that usually signals weaker risk appetite for tech-heavy names. The Dow rose 0.46%, and the S&P 500 was up 0.05%, so the tape was mixed but tilted away from high-growth momentum. Foreign institutional investors were net sellers overnight, about Rupee 3,892.77 crore provisional, a caution for flows into Indian equities at the open. Overall, global moves give India a mild negative bias into the bell, even though our composite sentiment is bullish for selective names. Live as you watch, the Nikkei is up 0.17% and the Seng is up 0.45%. Asian markets trading higher right now supports a risk-on tilt into the Indian morning. That adds weight to ADR-led gaps for individual Indian stocks at 09:15 IST. Top ADR signals. WIPRO ADR $1.87 rose 5.06%, a strong lead for WIPRO, WIPRO, to open higher. INFY's ADR $11.11 rose 4.12%, a clear positive signal for INFY's in financial year. ICICIBANK ADR $29.51 rose 0.92%, a modest push for ICICIBANK, ICICIBANK. ADR moves are the cleanest direct signal for how each stock may open on the NSE, so watch ADR directions translating into the first minute of trade. Overnight signal. WIPRO ADR $1.87 gained 5.06%, implying WIPRO will likely open with a positive gap at 09:15 IST. As India closed, the Nifty 50 was at 23,767 rupees 45 for context. The level to watch in the first 30 minutes after 09:15 IST is Nifty 50 at 23,767 rupees 45 to gauge broad market follow-through. Watch how WIPRO prints relative strength versus that market level. Next, INFY's also showed a strong ADR move. Overnight signal. INFY's ADR $11.11 rose 4.12%, a strong directional signal that INFY's will likely gap up at the open. The Nifty 50 closed at 23,767 rupees 45 yesterday for context. The level to watch in the first 30 minutes after 09:15 IST is again Nifty 50 at 23,767 rupees 45 to see whether tech leadership extends. Remember, ADR strength is an early indicator, not a guarantee. Use price action in the first 30 minutes to confirm. Next, ICICIBANK had a smaller ADR move but is important for financials. Overnight signal. ICICIBANK ADR $29.51 rose 0.92%, signaling a likely mildly positive open for ICICIBANK at 09:15 IST. For context, the Nifty 50 closed at 23,767 rupees 45 yesterday. The level to watch in the first 30 minutes after 09:15 IST is Nifty 50 at 23,767 rupees 45 to see if financials get follow-through. Watch whether ICICIBANK trades with relative strength versus the index in early trade, which will show whether banks back the broader move or lag it. Top 2 things to watch in the first 30 minutes after the open. 1. Nifty 50 reaction around 23,767 rupees 45, a sustained hold above or quick rejection will set the tone. 2. ADR-led gaps in WIPRO, INFY's and ICICIBANK. Observe volume and price follow-through versus the index in the opening half hour. If you found this useful, like the video, comment which stock you're watching today, and subscribe for fast pre-market briefs. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. Please consult a SEBI-registered financial advisor before making any investment decisions.